Hey there, underwater explorers! Today, we're diving into the colorful world of the Queen Triggerfish. These fascinating creatures are like royalty of the sea with their vibrant colors and interesting behaviors. Get ready to discover some fun facts about these quirky fish. Fun facts about Queen Triggerfish. Colorful royalty. Queen Triggerfish are known for their stunning colors. They come in vibrant shades of blue, green, yellow, and even pink. It's like having a rainbow swimming right before your eyes. Crown-like crest. Ever seen a crown underwater? Well, the Queen Triggerfish has something similar. They have a distinctive crown-like crest on their heads, which makes them look like true underwater royalty. Built-in defense. These fish have a unique defense mechanism. When they feel threatened, they can raise a dorsal spine on their back, almost like a spear. It's their way of saying, "Back off, I'm the queen of this sea." Homebodies. Queen Triggerfish are not big travelers. They usually stick to a certain area, called their territory, which they defend fiercely. So, if you see one, you might be in their royal domain. Dietary delights. These fish have quite the appetite. They love munching on a variety of foods including crabs, sea urchins, and even small fish. They're like the gourmet chefs of the ocean. Mysterious mating. When it's time for romance, Queen Triggerfish don't mess around. They perform an elaborate courtship dance to impress their potential mates. It's like having a dance party under the sea. Exciting babies. After all that dancing, the female Queen Triggerfish lays eggs in a special nest they create. The male then takes on the role of guardian, protecting the eggs until they hatch. Talk about devoted parents. So, there you have it, young ocean adventurers. The Queen Triggerfish may rule the underwater world with their stunning colors, unique behaviors, and fascinating lifestyle. Next time you're snorkeling or diving, keep an eye out for these majestic creatures and remember, even in the depths of the sea, royalty reigns supreme. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more exciting updates on our expedition to the underwater world. Until we meet again, take care and bye.